Hey everyone, let's dive into the world of trucking and logistics in Jamaica. Jamaica, with its stunning landscapes and vibrant culture, is not just a tourist destination, but also a crucial hub for logistics in the Caribbean. Now, trucking in Jamaica faces some unique challenges. First up, the infrastructure. While the island boasts major highways and road networks, some rural areas still struggle with poor roads. This makes transporting goods to and from these regions a bit tricky. Then there's the issue of traffic congestion. Kingston, the capital, often experiences heavy traffic, which can cause delays and increase fuel consumption. And let's not forget the weather. Jamaica's tropical climate means dealing with hurricanes and heavy rains, which can disrupt schedules and damage cargo. But it's not all doom and gloom. There are plenty of opportunities on the horizon. Jamaica's strategic location in the Caribbean makes it a prime spot for trade routes connecting North and South America. The government is also investing in infrastructure improvements, with projects like the North-South Highway and the expansion of Kingston's port. These developments can significantly improve logistics efficiency. Moreover, there's a growing emphasis on technology. Companies are increasingly adopting GPS tracking, telematics, and digital platforms to streamline operations and enhance efficiency. This tech-savvy approach is helping to mitigate some of the traditional challenges faced by the industry. Sky Global Logistic is proud to announce the Nuff Loads app. The app was designed with owner-operators' needs in mind. We've made it to solve the everyday needs of truck drivers, companies, and the everyday individual whose needs are as simple as relocating. It's easy to use, fast, and mobile. Customize your search criteria such as trailer type, location, pickup date, and destination. Find freight for flatbed, power only, dry van, reefer, and more. In summary, while the trucking industry in Jamaica has its share of hurdles, the potential for growth and improvement is substantial. By leveraging its strategic location, investing in infrastructure, and embracing technology, Jamaica's logistics sector is poised for a promising future. Join the growing freight search platform with over hundreds of carriers already growing their business with Nuff Loads. And if you found this insight helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more updates on the logistics industry. Catch you in the next one.